Good morning, students of class 10. In the period of mathematics, we are going to start new chapter 6, arithmetic progression. As the definition of arithmetic progression, a sequence in which the terms increases or decreases by common difference. Let us consider the sequence be a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d, dot. Here the first term is a, that is denoted by t1, second term a plus d denoted by t2, third term a plus 2d denoted by t3, dot. In this way we can consider the tn, means the nth term. Nth term of ap will be a plus n minus 1 into d. Why this n minus 1? You are seeing that if here is 2, here is 1, here is 3, in the third term common difference, that is d, is 2d. So here if n is there, so 1 will be subtracted from n and this d will be multiplied. Therefore this nth term or general term of arithmetic progression became a plus n minus 1 into d. Now the sum of n terms of an AP, that is denoted by s, equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, where a is the first term and d is the common difference. Let us start exercise 6a. In question number 1, write the first 6 terms of an AP in which 1c, a is 3.5 and d is 1.5. A is the first term, d is the common difference. We are asked to find out the first 6 terms. So here t1, that is the first term only, t1 equal to 3.5, t2 equal to a plus d, 3.5 plus 1.5 equal to 6, t3 equal to this 6 plus 1.5, 7.5, t4 equal to 7.5 plus d, means 7.5 plus 1.5, 9, t5 equal to 9 plus d, 9 plus 1.5 equal to 10.5, and t6 equal to 10.5 plus 1.5, that is equal to 12. In question number 2, find the mentioned terms of the following sequences in AP. 2c, the ninth term of minus 6, minus 2, 2 and 6. Here the first term is minus 6 and common difference is 4. So t9, ninth term, t9 equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. A is minus 6, n is 9, 9 minus 8, 9 minus 1, 8 into d is 4. So minus 6 plus 8 into 4 equal to minus 6 plus 32 equal to 26. Question number 3. Find the first 5 terms of an AP where the nth term is, question number 3c, 5n minus 6. So if first term is a, then t1 equal to 5 into 1 minus 6. 5n minus 6 means 5 into 1 minus 6 equal to minus 1. Then t2 equal to 5 into 2, while here n is 2. 5n minus 6 means 5 into 2 minus 6 equal to 4. And 3 is 3. So here t3 equal to 5n minus 6, 5 into 3 minus 6 equal to 9. Similarly t4, 5n minus 6, 5 into 4 minus 6 equal to 14. t5, 5n minus 6, 5 into 5 minus 6 equal to 19. These are the 5 terms where nth term is 5 minus 6. Question number 6 states that which term of the AP 20, 17, 14, 11, dot is minus 16. So in this question, first term is 20, D, common difference is minus 3, and we are asked to find n, means which term is to find the value of n. So we know Tn equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Here Tn equal is minus 16, a is 20, n is unknown, that is asked to find out, and d is minus 3. So I kept these values. In the second step, plus minus minus 3n, plus minus 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 plus 3. So this equation became now minus 16 plus 23 minus 3n yeah, here will be minus 3n. So minus 3n will come this side, that will be plus 3n, and minus 16 will go that side, so 23 plus 16, that is 39. Therefore n equal to 13. So we say 13th term is minus 16. Now question number 8. This question states that the third and sixth term of an AP are 16 and 37 respectively. Find the first term and the common difference. Here T3 is 16 and T6 is 37. So on the basis of this information, I have made the equations. If T3 is 16 means A plus n minus 1 into D is 16, n is 3. So A plus 3 minus 1 into D equal to 16. So 3 minus 1, 2D. So A plus 2D equal to 16. That is equation number 1. Now T6 is 37. So I made the equation as A plus 6 minus 1 into D. Here the value of n is 6. 6 minus 1 into D. So this equation became A plus 5D equal to 37. That is equation number 2. Now I have subtracted equation number 1 from equation number 2. So I got A plus 5D equal to 37 minus, all the sign will change of equation number 1. And in this way this A cancelled, 5D minus 2D equal to 3D, and this side 37 minus 16 equal to 21. So D equal to 7. So from 1, I kept this value in equation number 1 to get the value of A, that became 2. So first term A is 2 and common difference D is 7. Question number 11 states that the sum of three numbers in AP is 54 and the product of the first and third is 288. Find those numbers. Let the numbers in AP be A minus D, A and A plus D. There are three numbers, so I consider in this way. There will be four numbers, then we will consider A minus 2D, and then A minus D, A plus D and A plus 2D, four numbers. So here is three numbers I considered in this way. As given, the sum of these numbers, three numbers, is 54. So A minus D plus A plus D equal to 54. In this way we got this TD cancelled, 3 equal to 54, A equal to 18. First term became 18. Now again in the question it is given that product of the first and third term is 288. So I wrote A minus D into A plus D equal to 288. A minus D into A plus D equal to A square minus D square equal to 288. 18 square minus D square equal to 288. 18 square equal to 324. So 324 minus D square equal to 288. Therefore D square equal to 324 minus 288. So D square equal to 36. D equal to plus minus 6. So we have both the values now, A equal to 18 and D equal to plus minus 16. So we can make the series of the numbers. So first E became, I am using plus 6. So first is A minus D. So 18 minus 6 equal to 12. Second is A. So I wrote here 18. And third is A plus D. So 18 plus 6 equal to 24. Secondly, I am using the value of D equal to minus 6. So first is A minus D. 18 minus 6, that is 24. Then A is 18 and again A plus D, that is 18. 18 plus minus 6 equal to 12. So there will be two series of number as the answer. All these two sets of numbers are in AP. In question number 15D, we are asked to add the terms, those are in AP. So I have used here the formula S equal to n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. N is 25, A is 4 and D is 6. I kept all those values and I calculated this. I got 15D, that is the sum, 1900. In the question number 16C, the series is given, the terms are in AP 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dot plus 20. So here the first term is 1, common difference is 1, number of n, the value of n is 20, that is the last term 20. So I use the formula S equal to n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Here the values I have kept, n is 20, so 20 by 2, A is 1, so 2 into 1 plus n is minus, n is 20, so 20 minus 1 into D, D is 1. I calculated this equation. 2 10 are 20, here 2, and plus 20 minus 1, 19 into 1, 19. So 2 10 into 21, that is equal to 220. In question number 18b, find the sum of all numbers lying between 50 and 200 that are divisible by 6. In this, A will be 54. Between 50 and 200, the first number is 54, that is divisible by 6. So first term became 54. Common difference will be D, and last term that lies between 50 to 200 will be 198, that is divisible by 6. So I have used the general equation to get the value of n. A plus n minus 1 into D equal to 198, that is the last term. So the value of A is 54 plus n minus 1, D is 6 equal to 198. I have calculated it and I got the value of n equal to 25. Now the sum, that is equal to n by 2 the first and the last term, the sum of the first and last term, 25 by 2 into 252, this plus this 252. These two are cancelled, that is equal to 126. Now I have multiplied these two and got 25 into 126 equal to 3150. That is the sum of the terms. In question number 21, this question states that if the first term of an arithmetic series is 16 and the sum of the first 15 terms is 870, find the common difference. First term A is 16 given and sum of the first 15 terms is given 870. So I have used here the formula of the sum. Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sn is 870 and the value of n is 50. So n by 2, 15 by 2, 2 into 16 plus 15 minus 1 into d. From this equation we will find out the value of d. So I have calculated it, 16 to the 32 plus 15 minus 1, 14d, and by cross multiplication I got 1740 equal to 15 into 32 plus 14d. So 116 plus 32 116 equal to 32 plus 14d. Therefore d equal to 116 minus 32 by 40. These two I have cancelled, so I got 116. Again I have calculated it and I got 84 by 14, that is equal to 6. So common difference became 6. Question number 24 states that the sum of the first 6 terms of an arithmetic series is 255 and that of the first 9 terms is 315. Find the first 4 terms of the series. Here S6 equal to 255 and S9 equal to 350. Using these two I have considered two equations, that is equation number 1 and 2. For S6 I have written that 6, that is the formula only, n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here n is 6 and the sum is 255. And this first term and common difference we don't know. So I have kept this value 6 by 2 into 2a plus 6 minus 1 into d equal to 255. I have solved this equation and I got 2a plus 5d equal to 85. That is equation number 1. Now second is S9, that is 315. Sum of first 9 terms equal to 315 given in the question. Using this I have made one equation, that is 9 by 2 into 2a plus 9 minus 1 into d equal to 315. I have calculated this equation and got 2a plus 8d equal to 70, that is equation number 2. Now I have solved this 1 and 2 to get the value of d. I have subtracted equation number 1 from equation number 2. So 2a plus 8d equal to 17, and this I have subtracted, and so plus minus 8d plus minus, these two are cancelled, 2a cancelled, 8d minus 5d equal to 3d, and this side 70 minus 85 equal to minus 15. So d equal to minus 5. I have used equation number 1 to get the value of a, and I got the value of a equal to 55. So those 4 numbers equal to first term 55, second term 55 minus d 50, third term 55, 50 minus d 45, fourth term 45 minus 5 40. These 4 terms are in AP.